Hey there, friends. Feeling overwhelmed by clutter? Let's talk about 25 things you should get rid of if you want a clean, minimalist home. First, up expired food in your pantry. Check those dates and toss anything past its prime. Old spices, too, they lose flavor over time. Next, take a look at your wardrobe. Do you really need 5 pairs of jeans that don't fit? Donate or sell those extra clothes. Now those single socks without a match. Why are they still there? Say goodbye. Old magazines and newspapers. If you're not going to read them again, recycle them. Duplicate kitchen gadgets. How many spatulas do you really need? Keep the best and donate the rest. Let's move to the bathroom. Expired makeup can be harmful. Time to clean out that makeup bag, half-used toiletries. If it's been sitting there for months, toss it. Old towels. If they're frayed or stained, it's time to let them go. How about that pile of cords and cables you don't even recognize? If you haven't used them in a year, it's probably safe to get rid of them. Unused gadgets and electronics. If you've upgraded, recycle or sell the old ones. Take a look at your bookshelves. Only keep books you love or will read again. Donate the rest. Old paperwork and bills. Shred what you don't need and go digital when possible. Empty or unused picture frames. If they're just collecting dust, it's time to purge. Excessive decorations. Choose a few meaningful pieces and let the rest go. Mismatched or chipped dishes. Keep a set that makes you happy. Take a peek in your junk drawer. Do you really need all those random items? Simplify it. Outgrown or broken toys. Donate or recycle them. Old greeting cards. Keep the ones with special messages and recycle the rest. Unused furniture. If it's just taking up space, sell or donate it. Excessive linens. How many sets of sheets do you really need? Pare it down. Unused or expired cleaning products. Keep it simple and effective. Duplicate tools. Keep what you need and get rid of the rest. Fridge magnets and old receipts. Clear the clutter. Old calendars and planners. Once the year's over, let them go. And finally, broken or unused jewelry. If it's not bringing you joy, it's time to say goodbye. There you have it. 25 things to declutter for a minimalist home. Start small, take it step by step, and enjoy the peace that comes with a simplified space. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more minimalist tips. Bye for now.